Hi there, this is Damien from Stars Like You, and I'm just going to share with you a short video which will help you to understand how to make your own birth chart. And this is a really useful thing to understand because once you know how to do your own, of course, you can make charts up for other people as well. And so it's a really simple 5-step process. And first thing that you need to do is navigate over to this website www.astro.com, where you'll find not only a wealth of information about astrology with lots of great articles and different interactive bits and pieces, lots of information, but it also allows you to create your own chart. So once you arrive here, look to the top right-hand side of your page and you will see a section which says My Astro. Click on there. Once you've done that, you will then, this page will then come up for you and it will allow you to either create a registered user profile or you can create a horoscope straight away as a guest user. I strongly recommend that you just take a moment to create a registered profile because that will then allow you to have your own online library, if you like, and you can create and store up to 100 charts, which is really amazing, really generous. So just all you need to do is leave your email and create a password, and that's it. Once you've got your own user profile set up, you'll be able to come backwards and forwards whenever you like. So once you've done that part, the next thing that you'll see is the data entry screen. And quite obviously, all you need to do here is add the name, day, time, place of birth. It will also ask you for gender or event. You just have to do that for the computer to cycle through. There's no great problem. So just enter the information here and then click continue. Once you've done that, you will then find this screen comes up and it just allows you to choose what kind of chart you're interested in. You can choose the chart drawing ascendant option, which will give you a quick chart calculation, and that's fine. But for something a little, well, for a lot more detail, if you like, and also for those of you who might be interested in going a little bit further with your astrology, I suggest that you choose the extended chart selection because that gives you a lot more range. And I'm just going to show you that now. So if you do take the extended chart selection, you'll see this screen pop up and it allows you to create a horoscope for the person whose name that you see. And all you need to do basically is click on the blue button, click here to show the chart. That's enough and you'll get a great result. But as I said to you, this also allows you to a great range of options. And so on the left side, you can see options for zodiac and houses, default settings, etc., etc. You can expand those drop-down menus and it will give you lots of different choices. So if you wanted to change the house system you were using, for example, or if you wanted to include transits or progressions or any other kind of predictive technique into the chart, if you wanted to add extra bits and pieces, for example, you may want to add some additional planetary bodies or some asteroids, whatever it is that you want to do, this will let you do it. So if you're thinking of going a little bit further with your astrology, just spend some time playing around with this section. It's really worthwhile. But if you're just here to get your own chart or to get the chart for someone that you know, all you need to do is press where it says, click here to show your chart. And then in a matter of moments, you will be gifted with a chart that will look something a little bit like this. And so it's nice and clear, easy to read, simple for you to use, and it's also nice to look at. So hopefully you found that useful. Now, the benefit of creating your own astrology chart is that you can unlock the secrets contained within. And so if it's something that, that appeals to you, I just want to mention at this moment that you are more than welcome to join us at the Stars Like You Astrology School. We've started a new online astrology course, which allows you to join at any time. We have a really simple, easy payment terms. So you can join us, sign up for a month, decide if you like it or not. And if you do, then you just continue on a month-by-month basis. So you can learn in your own time. We've got lots of fantastic class material. It's broken down to be really simple and easy for you to digest. Lots of students are already using it, and there's the giving us the feedback that it's really great. They're finding it much easier than trying to scour through astrology books or jumping from different websites online. So why not join us at the Stars Like You Astrology School and find out all the secrets that there are contained for you within the amazing world of astrology. Thank you for listening, and goodbye for now.